Last summer I heard about a one-handed soldering iron. Soldering usually takes me at least 3 hands, so I checked it out on Amazon and bought this Saker soldering iron kit. It truly is one-handed. With the trigger you feed in solder as needed. I've tested it a few times and I'm enjoying the new way to solder. The one thing it lacked was a stand to keep things, including fingers, safe while the iron is hot. This sounded like a fairly simple 3D printing project, so the Saker stand was born. Okay, OpenSCAD was used to create the stand for the Saker soldering iron. The design was a combination of a union, things that are put together, and then a difference, which subtracts out the pieces from the original blocks to make the design what we want. Let's take a look at that design. Let's take away the difference portions and then re-render. So we have the original blocks. Then if we take out the base block that is in the union, we see that we just have the column that's going to make the place where we can put the handle of the Saker. Let's put the base back in. You can see that the base is centered on the y-axis. That's due to this 0, -20, 0. If we make that 0, 0, 0, then everything is positioned from the origin. That's not really what we want. That wouldn't be very stable. And so we'll move that over to -20 to slide that in to make it stand up nicely. Let's take a look at hollowing out the pieces that we want. If we hollow out the main block so that the handle of the Saker can slide down in, and then if we put in a cube that makes a slit down the back, then the cord for the Saker can slide down in there as the handle goes down the shaft. And finally, we don't want the cord to get smashed on the bottom of this, and so we'll make a channel for the cord. If we take that last cube out, then down here in the bottom there's a deeper section that the cord can fit out, and the base of the handle of the Saker can sit against the bottom. So not a complex design, but seems to work well in holding the Saker upright while it's nice and hot.